Everybody, coming to you from the hood of my side-by-side, or UTV, our little ranch UTV, and it's for the review of this. This is the HAPDEN, or HAPDEN brand 3/8 inch grommet press. It's a handheld press. And the reason I'm filming this review from up here is because I used it to construct the roof on this side-by-side. The roofs for these things are expensive, and I wanted something simple. So I bought some heavy-duty waterproof canvas and decided I'd put grommets in it and then use paracord to fasten it to the cage. It has worked really well. So you can see all the grommets here. There are plenty. We are busy. It comes with a punch, so you can punch the hole through the canvas or whatever material you're using, and then press the grommet on through it. There's instructions in there. I'm not going to go over it. I just want to go over the quality. The quality of the press is phenomenal. It is magnetic on these, which is really nice. So you will your grommets, when you put them on the die, it sticks to it, and you're not chasing them all over the place. The only thing I had not hold up was this little, I think, nylon disc that is supposed to be the receiving end of your punch when you're punching the material out. And that was more than likely user error. I think I whacked it a little too hard on the first one. But overall, really happy with it. Found out in a pinch you can even just put these grommets right over the material, crimp it down, and it punches the material out of the way for you. So super happy with it. Very useful tool. Absolutely worth the cost, and I'm sure I'll have more projects in the future to use this on. Thanks for watching.